What if I told you your next paycheck is already out there? You just need to know where to look. In this video, I'll introduce you to the path to payday, a simple way to rank your lead sources to get you paid the fastest. Here's a spoiler alert. The highest converting leads are always the ones that require proactive action, like expireds, for sale by owners, sphere of influence, and open houses. I'll show you how to prioritize these leads and stop wasting time on passive sources. Why did Glover U invent the model path to payday? It's because we knew that too many agents were wasting time on low converting or passive lead sources while ignoring the ones that will actually put money in their pocket faster. The path to payday is prioritizing the right conversations that lead to income now. There are 3 critical factors to the path to payday, and it's that not all lead sources are equal, and to get paid faster, you must understand these 3 critical factors that separate effective lead generation from busy work. The first is approach type, and this is breaking down, is this a proactive source or a passive source? The second is, what is your skill gap? In other words, what am I missing? That if I had this particular skill, I would crush this lead source. It might be scripts and dialogues. It might be a dialer in a TCPA compliant manner. It might be role playing. It might be accountability. What gap do you have today to where you want to be? That's number 2. And number 3, it's conversion. It's knowing your numbers. How many conversations must you have to get one sale? How many conversations to set an appointment? How many contacts to have an appointment show? Once you understand these numbers, we can do the path in the math and know where our skill gap is and crush our real estate business in duplicatability. So let's break these 3 down so that you can prioritize the right lead source. The inner part of the path to payday are expireds and for sale by owners. This is a proactive lead source that requires high skill, and the top agents in the country are converting at a 10-to-1 ratio. The next level of the path to payday is past clients, center of influence, and this is of course proactive and a medium skill necessary, and this is roughly 20-to-1. If you're ready to put your next paycheck on the calendar, start by doubling down on your proactive lead sources. Want more breakdowns just like this? Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button because it really helps my channel, and be on the lookout for the rest of the videos in the Path to Payday series.